Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing the Syncwire mini cable clip holder. So this is a 5-pack. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is made out of 100% non-toxic silicone, and what these do is they help you manage your cables and wires. Take a look at this cable mess. My goodness, that's just so unprofessional. And look at this, we even have a sticky nano tape here holding our one cable up. Well, check this out. In 3, 2, 1, boom! Check that out, guys. And just like that, now our cables are nice and clean. And the great thing about this is you can pull out your cable as you need it and it feeds through. And then when you're done, go ahead, you can feed it back through. Just like that. So these are extremely nice and they work great. So if you take a look here, the wire goes right down in there, and all you do is you just press it down in, and then underneath it you have 3M double-sided tape. Now this tape, make sure you clean your surface, make sure it's 100% dry, and then you peel back this little piece and you stick it where you want it and you're good to go. So did you guys see this cable right here? Normally this hangs from our mic and it gets very frustrating. Well, let's solve that problem. So as you can see, it's right there, and now the cable is nice and clean and flush. Overall, these are excellent and they work great for your cable management.